How did you even get in there? What are you doing? Hello? Oh my gosh!
When your favorite human goes to work, and you're stuck with the other one.
Okay, step 1, you have to touch the belly and then you have to pet the cat. From there, you immediately have to start patting. Pat until the cat turns around to bite you, and then push it over. This disables the kill drive. And once those steps are completed, you are free to belly rub. I have tested this on every cat, including your cat. You're welcome.
Oh, fucking loaf check. Loaf 1. I can see 1 front paw. No second. Neither back paws. Tail's a little slacky. That's a 6 out of 10 for you. Let's check this loaf number 2. Oh man, this is looking pretty nice. That's a round loaf. Symmetric loaf. No front paws. No back paws. No tail. That's a 10 out of 10 loaf right there. Good boy.
Get your dog ready for a walk and pretend like you forgot them.
We're pulling someone.
It occurred to me that I might be a bit much. Like, I think maybe if I met myself, if I met me, I think I might be like, yeah, he was nice, but he's a bit much.
Doctor, if you've been to areas where certain fungal infections are common, and if you've had TB, hepatitis B, or crotal infections, or have flu-like symptoms or sores, don't start Humira if you have an infection.